It has just been a few days since Samsung announced the Galaxy A30 and the A50. Now, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A60, the upcoming smartphone in the Galaxy A series. While Samsung hasn't made the device official, the handset specifications have been leaked online. The Galaxy A60, which would technically be slotted above the A50 and A30, could be the next family member of the A series. The Galaxy A60 is allegedly going to feature a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a FHD Plus resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels, considering the A50 had a similar resolution. There is a tiny water drop notch on top, which Samsung likes to call Infinity U. The handset is also speculated to include an in-display fingerprint sensor. For photography, it is expected to have a triple camera setup with a 32-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel sensor, presumably to capture depth information to help in adding bokeh effect. At the front, the smartphone could feature a 32-megapixel selfie camera. As for memory and storage, Samsung could offer 6GB or 8GB of RAM along with 128GB of inbuilt storage, which would be expandable. Notably, the leak says that the Galaxy A60 will be powered by the Snapdragon 6150 chipset. This is the same chipset that was seen on a test device last year, featuring the same 11nm architecture as the Snapdragon 675, but it has 8 cores with a base frequency of 1.80 GHz. The smartphone is also expected to feature a big 4500 mAh battery and Android 9.0 Pie with Samsung's One UI on top.